Hey, let me show you this beautiful 3D character, overweight character, fat character, male, man, dad, father, whatever you want to use. This character is ready for you. It's done in Blender. It was rigged by Autorig Pro, so it's easy to use in Unity, Unreal, Spline, or whatever tool you want to use to make also some additional 3D animations, or if you want to use it on web or app, you can use it easily. So let's see what we have inside. We have different poses. As you can see, we have 21 of them. This is how nicely they are done. See, this is like character, how it looks as rendered, and here is how it looks. So many lights. And this is how it's rigged. So it's fully rigged. You can see we have face rig. You can see you can easily just go and play by yourself if you want. You can animate it. Or if we have predefined expressions, like facial expressions, like laughing or happy, angry, shocked. Let me go to the first pose so it's the most visible. Let's try shocked. So this is shocked character. Here is laughing. Here like the smiley. So these are predefined facial expressions for you. Then we have lip sync. If you want to make it talk, it's super easy to do the animations like A, O, C, D, G, H, L, and so on. So this is much easier to use them. Another thing which I want to show you are the shape keys, because these are ARKit shape keys, like 56 of them, and this is pretty useful. Let's take a look on the character, what it will look. The reason why we see, for example, these eyes like in this is because we are in the material preview and we are not in the render preview. Here is render preview and here it looks pretty good. So yeah, don't worry about the eyes. In render they will look cool. Let's see what we have here. So we have eye, look, let's see, a little bit like blink. I think blink is nice. You see? So we have these shape keys which you can easily use, and you can mimic that somebody is talking, and in real time you can match this face with your face or with whatever face and it will talk. Super useful in Unity. You can play with that, and it's fun. One thing what I wanted to show you also is that we have different types of hairs. Let me see, and eyebrows. I will turn off the eyebrows here and turn on this one and this. You see we have like this hair which is it's getting like close to real one, something what Pixar is using, or the others. It's a little bit slow here for this use case. I'm always using let me find the simplify. The simplify will turn off like the modifications, and it's much faster to work with the file. So this is how it looks like. So you can work with the simplify. Let's turn it on. It will take a little bit time. Yes, now it's much faster. One thing is better to use them in the 4.4 Blender, because it's easier and faster to play. I always was using like this hair if I want to use it for the animations or whatever. Then you can just turn it on and off the different hairs and eyebrows. Let's check it out that what we have else, because we have beautiful exports pretty nicely done for you. So let's go and let's try the FBX export. Okay, now you can see that we have like nicely exported. We are using always this kind of hair, but if you want to use different hair, feel free to do that. This is this is how it looks like, and also it has different poses inside, so this is super useful. And we have also like the textures in different packs, so in the different folder, so it can be easily used. Super fun, easy to use, and let's jump to GLB. Here, this is prepared GLB file. As you can see, you can play with the poses also. This is pretty cool. Ta-da! You have different poses here, so you can just turn it on and on. Here we go. Here it is. It works pretty nicely. Or if you want, you know, like to have the animation, here is like you can playback and have the poses going as animation. Also, what we added is that we have GLB in the T-pose. Here is the character inside in GLB in T-pose, just in case you want to have it. One thing what I want to show you also is the AR kit, which are nicely done. Also here, nicely exported, so you can, you know, use it wherever you want. I think this is super useful and easy to use. Also, so we have OBJ poses, meaning like every pose is in OBJ, so you can use them maybe in 3D printing or what. So yeah, that was it. If you want to learn more about the 3D character, this one, check out the description below. If you want to learn about our other 3D models, go to our CG Trader or go to 3D.design. Have a great day. If you have any questions, reach out to me at samuel3d.design. Have a great day. Stay creative. Bye.